Hi, I'm Joe from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to overcome some dry patches that may have started appearing in your lawn over the warmer months. Hot and dry weather can really take a toll on even the healthiest lawns and cause them to become thin and patchy. This usually happens over the summer months as the weather is hot and dry and lawn owners are generally on holidays or too busy to keep up their regular lawn maintenance schedule. It only takes a couple of days of hot, dry weather to affect your lawn. Usually what you'll see is bare patches throughout your lawn, or your lawn would have started to thin out and change colour. What follows this is those bare patches bake in the sun and become rock hard, making it difficult for water and nutrients to get into the soil. This is commonly known as dry patch, and it appears regularly in lawns throughout the summer. Thankfully, it is treatable and relatively easy to fix. First things first, it is always recommended you aerate the affected area of your lawn. Aeration can be done with a garden fork, aerator sandals, or a specialised aerator depending on the size of the lawn. This is crucial as it will decompact your base and allow water and nutrients to go down into the soil. Next, apply a wetting agent to the affected area. Wetting agents come in liquid and granular forms and assist with water absorbing into the soil. This will allow your soil to hold water in a usable manner for longer. Always remember to water your lawn well after applying the wetting agent. After this, it is time to stimulate your lawn's growth to allow it to cover back over and self-repair. This is best done by applying an NPK fertiliser to the entire lawn and watering the lawn well afterwards. Always remember to apply products at label rates and follow instructions. If you're unsure of anything we've been through, please get in touch with your nearest Lawn Solutions Australia member. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.